Hypo hurricane outlook for May the 23rd. So we forgot to add Tito on the worldwide map, but it is still active in the Western Pacific. Still a tropical storm after peaking a Category 2 on the days we didn't have an outlook, but it's about to be joined by something in the other side of the Pacific soon, and we'll get into that in a quick second. Now, believe it or not, when we had our break, we still had no early tropical cyclones, nor any areas of interest for that matter. So, meaning the Atlantic's just been basically dead for the past, week or two, with absolutely nothing expected to come. It looks like it will stay quiet in this basin until June, and models aren't even showing something in June, so a lot of people are saying we might not see anything in this basin until at least July. Jumping into the Eastern Pacific, we have a 50% chance area of interest. Not expected to do much in the next couple of days. It might become something short-lived, but right now I'm not expecting to do much. Though if it does, we probably could see a short-lived tropical depression or storm before May ends. So Tropical Storm Tito is still active after peaking a Category 2. It has weakened since then, currently still over Taiwan, about to move into China. It's at 55 miles per hour, but right now that would be around 60 miles per hour, as 55 does not convert to knots. But it's expected to weaken to a tropical depression in 12 hours, and it should dissipate by then. Unless, of course, the models are right once again, and somehow Tito makes it into the South China Sea and redevelops back into a Category 1 typhoon. I doubt that happens, but after Tito dissipates, we're expecting a long time of no activity in the Western Pacific. Last but most certainly not least, in the North Indian Ocean, this is a pretty boring end to our hurricane outlook because there's absolutely nothing, and nothing expected for the rest of the month, not even as we get into June. So the North Indian Ocean will be pretty dead. Looks like we might not see anything until September in this basin, but we'll have to wait and see what the computer brings to us. Alright, so now we have the next days. They haven't changed since the last time. The North Atlantic's still waiting for its first storm, and Andrea. Eastern Pacific, we're still waiting for Alvin. Central Pacific, let's see how long it takes for us to get our next storm, Iona. Western Pacific's waiting for Nimbus, and in the North Indian Ocean, it's Indra, which kind of is similar to the name Indian Ocean, but we're not gonna question that. We'll see what the computer brings to us tomorrow. Let's hope it's not too active. It probably will though anyway, but we'll see you tomorrow.